In this vlog, we will be seeing the implementation of the HTTP network call library in Flutter. So in the previous vlog, we have seen the request method get, and in this particular vlog, we will be seeing the request method post implementation. So let us see with the dependencies. In the pubspec file, we need to add the dependencies here, HTTP, and the version is 0.12.1. Try to update it to the latest version when you are trying this tutorial. So now let us go through the main.dart file here. So here we are initializing with the void main, and we are considering the default class myapp extending the stateful widget. So here we have created a state myapp state here, which is extending the state of myapp class. Okay, so here we have specified a boolean variable, and we have declared the initial value to be false here. So now let us see the model class. So here it is the model class. Here we have considered the three variables id, title and body. So in the network.dart file, we have specified an asynchronous fetch post method where we have specified the URL here, and you can see we have provided the number variable too. So based on the user input value, we will be fetching the data in this particular tutorial. So if the response is success, we will be returning the data, and we will be parsing with the help of the post model class, and if the result is error, then we will be throwing an exception here. So after the successful response, we will be passing the data according to the key values, and we will be populating the data. Here you can see inside the body we have specified a text field to get the user input, and here you can see we have specified a raised button inside which we have provided the boolean variable to be true here, inside which we have assigned the value of the boolean variable to true. So once the variable is true, we are populating the method fetch data here. So here you can see inside the fetch data we will be passing the parameter, the user input value, and here we will be making a network call here. So after fetching the data, we will be displaying them with the help of a method. Here you can see with the help of a widget get data here. So we will be passing the snapshot here to the widget here, and with the help of the widget we will be loading the data accordingly, title and body here you can see. So now let us try to see the output once. Here you can see the user input field here. So now we will try to enter a value and try to fetch the post here. So here you can see we have received the data here. So now let us try to look at the browser level for the output once. So now compare the data here. So the title and the body is the same here. So now let us try to add another post id and try to fetch the data. So yes, we have got the same data for the id 2. So you can compare the data, we are fetching the same as the browser one. So this is how we implement a network call using HTTP network library. And here in this particular tutorial we have dealt with the post request method. So if you are having any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. In the previous tutorial we have discussed the request method get, and if you are having any queries, you can refer to that particular tutorial and can know the difference between the get and the post methods. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.